Hi guys, welcome back. Yesterday, as you can see, I recorded of surfing, but this time I'm at the beach. Let me just get in real quick. Oh, I need to record this quickly. The temperature is like 35. Oh. Nobody knows. Look at that. I'm in the sea right now. I'm in the sea. Like actual sea. Look, see? Look at that. I'm in the actual sea. Look. Come on. Look. The road works over there, but there's like road. It's getting repaired. Like those houses, they're not building. I don't know. But look at that. Wow, there's the Dubai balloon over there, and that's my literal room up there somewhere. But oh, that's so cool. It's literally so cool. I'm getting deeper and deeper, and the waves are gonna come soon, so I better hang up in a minute. Yeah, the waves are coming. See you later, guys. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow after when I'm back from my journey. Bye.